we're going to learn how to put equations into graph form. The equation we're going to use, we use it in slope-intercept form. It's called y equals mx plus b. You know that your m is always going to be your, so there's your slope, and your b is what we call the y-intercept. And what the y-intercept means, it's where we start our graph every time, and it's where the lines are going to cross the y line. And that'll write all that down. It will make more sense as we start doing it. Your x's and your y's, just write those down. All right. Now we're going to take an equation and we're going to figure out what our slope is and what our y-intercept is. So y equals negative 2x minus 3. Well, the m would be right there where the negative 2 is, so that's our slope. And our b would be right here, so it would be minus 3. On the next one, y equals x plus 2. Our slope, well, there's no number, but we always know when we don't see a number, there's a 1 in front of the x. And then our y-intercept is a positive 2. Our next one is y equals negative x plus 2. Well, we know there's a little 1 right there. So our slope is a negative 1. And our y-intercept again is a positive 2. This time, I'm telling you the slope and the y-intercept, and we're going to write the equation. It always starts y equals, it's wrong if you do not start with y equals. It says the slope is 4 over 5. We always write the x, and that's a negative 2, so we just write minus 2. The next one, y equals, we got a negative 2. We write the x. It's a positive 8, so I write plus 8. Y equals negative 1/2 x. And then I've got a 1, so I write plus 1. Okay, let's look at these graphs and figure out what our slope and y-intercepts are. So when I look at this graph, to get the slope, remember we rise over run. 1, 2, 3. So we rise 3. And we're going to run 1, 2, 3, 4. We ran negative 4. So our slope is negative 3 over 4. The y-intercept is where it crosses the y line. Well, my line crosses that yellow y line right there. That's at 3. If I wanted to write that in equation, y equals negative 3 over 4. We write down the x plus 3. Let's do this next one. Our slope, we're going to rise 1. We're going to run 1, 2, 3, 4. And where my line crosses the yellow line is crossing at negative 2. So y equals 1 over 4x minus 2. All right, let's figure the slope out for number 9. Rise 1. Run 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That's a positive 6. My line crosses that yellow y line at 1. So y equals 1 over 6x plus 1. All right, and the last one on this side, our slope, 1, 2. Rise 2, 1, 2, run negative 2, and then it crosses down here at negative 5. So I'm going to write y equals negative 2 over 2x minus 5. Now we're going to do the opposite of what we've been doing. I'm going to give you y equals mx plus b, and you're going to have to draw it on the graph. So step 1 when you're drawing it is you plot the y-intercept or the b on the y-axis. That means the up and down axis, you're going to put a dot on there somewhere, wherever it says. From the y point, so you start at the point you've just put, and you'll plot the slope by doing rise over run. And then you just connect the points with a line. So let's practice and see if this makes sense. So this first one says negative 2x plus 3. Well, I know my m is a negative 2. I'm going to make it a fraction so I can rise and run. So I'm going to put it over 1. And I know my b is a 3. Up top it says we start with b. So I'm going to come up on my y line to 3. And I put my point. All right, from that point I need to rise 2. And it's a negative, so I'm going to run negative 1. And I put a new point. Draw a line. You did it. All right, let's try the next one. Here, my m is 4, which I'm going to make it a fraction because we need it to rise and run. And my b is negative 1. So I'm going to go down to the negative 1 and plot it on the y line. Always do that first. From that dot, I rise 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Run positive 1. There's my other dot. Connect the dots with a line. Number 13. My m will be 2 over 5. My b will be a 2. We always start with a b on the 2. And the m says from there I need to rise 2, 1, 2, and run 5. It's all positive. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Draw a line. This one, m is negative 3 over 2. My b is negative 5. I got that from looking at the equation. So I go down to negative 5 and start there. From there, it's a negative 3 over 2. So I'm going to go up 1, 2, 3. Then I'm going to go negative 2, 1, 2, to make sure it has that negative slope it has to have. All right, I want you to write your m and b's for 15 and 16 and graph them on your own and show it to me to get credit for this lesson.